everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. We are showing you very beautiful Gadwals today. Two sets of sarees, two videos, different colors, different combinations and different border designs. So let's begin without any delays. We have very beautiful colors and combinations now. All these are fresh new sarees, new in stock. These are pure silk, pure handloom Gadwals. Very rich in quality, very richly woven. Each and every saree is just quality at its best. Okay, so yes, this is the first one. Very beautiful bluish green color, a very pretty color. It has a rani pink border. The lower border is slightly broad compared to the upper border. This is how the borders will look together. Okay, and this is the gorgeous saree. It has a medium sized butta, and this is the lovely pallu. Okay, a very grand pallu. The price range of today's sarees is 18,000 to 24,000. Roughly that's the price range. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a stunning off-white. A very beautiful off-white and baby pink colored saree. Now this one has a Paithani inspired butta. I just want to show you the butta. It is in golden and silver zari. A very traditional Maharani butta in Paithani. So yes, this is the saree. The border is very simplistic, very classy, very subtle, in a light pink color, and this is the lovely pallu. Okay, if you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The pallu has beautiful peacock motifs. I hope you can see the design. I hope you can see the saree clearly. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a similar design but a very different combination. This one has a nice light purple and pink in its combination. Again, a Paithani inspired butta in golden and silver zari, and this simplistic border. This is the lovely border, a very traditional and classic kind of a saree. This is the beautiful pallu, a very richly woven pallu. The price of this one is 15,500. Sorry, the price range will be 15,000 to 24,000. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is again a shade of magenta. Beautiful color. This one has stunning peacock butta all over it. Very beautiful peacock motifs. It has a parrot green border, a simple plain zari border with elaborate temple design. A very unusual combination. This is not a very typical combination. Just look at the lovely pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next side. The next is a parrot green and red combination. This particular saree has a Paithani inspired border. Very delicate butta, and this is how it looks. So this saree looks a little similar to Paithani or Irkal, if you ask me, in terms of its simplicity. Okay, and just look at the gorgeous pallu. The pallu is very classic Gadwal. So if you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next side. This one, this particular saree is released and it's back in stock. A very stunning, shocking pink, fuchsia pink as they correctly call it. It's a very bright and beautiful shade of pink with a bluish green colored border. So the first saree that we saw was an exactly opposite combination, if you remember, and this was the body and it had a nice rani pink border. So this is a reverse combination with very delicate butta. Just look at the border design. It's very pretty, and this is the grand pallu. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this particular saree is 19,800. Okay, let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one, and a very beautiful one, a very different combination. Again, it's not a typical combination. A nice deep shade of purple. It's a deep purple color with golden and silver butta. Just look at the beautiful butta. It is in two sizes, one medium shaped and one very delicate. And again, the border is also in golden and silver zari. Very beautiful border design. This is how the borders will look together. A stunning saree, and this is the gorgeous pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our first video about our gorgeous Gadwals. Please stay tuned. I'm coming up with one more video today. Thank you.